Hey, buddy. You can put it in there if you want. Here. Get you all buckled in.
That's for you, bud. Oh, that's a priceless face. Oh, you gotta close that? Okay. Good work.
Get in. You gonna get in there, buddy?
Oh, it's a little high, huh? I couldn't get it down. I figured I would ask you to try to figure it out. Just help him up, Dan. Whoa!
Get you all buckled in. Now listen, you're a big boy.
I think you just listen the other one.
Wow.
Mommy's busy. Hey, Toby. Did you get a bike? Jeez, do I need to come over there?
Really hard.
Puppy?
Huh?
Puppy?
Was that a puppy? Are you sure?
Come on, buddy. Swear, I'm sorry.
Are you ready? You're too big, bud. Should have gotten you a bigger bike. Daddy's slow. Oh, there we go. You're ready.
You pedal? Put your feet on the pedals. I like how it can turn it.
I know. It works good.
Can you pedal?
Let's see it.
Here. Put your feet on here. Put your feet on here. You push it this leg. Push it that leg. Push it that
Whoa.
leg. Just like that. That's pedaling. That's what Daddy does on the bike.
There's a car, yeah. Say hi.
Hold on to the steer. Hold on to the. Hold on to it. Yeah.
Hi, buddy. Say bye-bye. And he's off.
Whoa.
Whoa. It's a nice shot of Daddy's behind.
Is this fun? You like it, buddy? You like it?